I am Iodine. As you already know from the previous video, here are some of my basic properties. If you need a refresher, go ahead and pause the video while you look over this stuff. Moving on, you'll also remember that here is my block on the periodic table, which is also located right here on the periodic table. Moving on, as for bonding structures, because I am a halogen, I bring 7 electrons to the table, so to speak, for bonding. However, I would prefer a perfect octet, meaning 8, so I only need 1 more. Here is a description visually of where all of my electrons are in different shell layers. And condensed, here's a diagram of only my valence electrons. However, like I mentioned earlier, I would like to have another to have a perfect octet. So it would turn out to be something like this, which would, of course, give me a negative charge with the extra electron. Because of this, I typically form one bond and share electrons as shown by this diagram here. Another feature about being a halogen is that I'm very electronegative, so I tend to take away electrons from other atoms. And when I do, I tend to be the one with more electrons, being slightly polar. Some of the uses humans have found for me and other particles of iodine is that we purify water, which also means we are soluble in water. Because of the strong electronegativity, I tend to create polar molecules. I can also be used for forensic tests and used in antiseptics. I'm not quite as rare as gold, a little more common, but I'm still not easy to find in like your backyard. And I'm relatively cheap, actually. Some fun facts is that I can form this really cool molecule called nitrogen triiodide, and it, well, explodes if you touch me. Please take a minute to look over this beautiful self-portrait I have of another molecule that me and my brethren can form. And I have a question for you all about what you see in this self-portrait. What shape does this molecule take, and is there a charge to the overall molecule? Go ahead and pause the video while you take a minute to figure this one out. Think you know the answer? Well, whether you do or don't, thank you for watching.